Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the stain type and gathering materials for safe treatment. Use 1/4 cup hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons baking soda, and 1 teaspoon dish soap. Always test the solution on a hidden seam before applying to the armpit area to avoid color loss. For white garments, oxygen bleach can boost results without harsh damage. Avoid chlorine bleach on protein or sweat stains because it can set yellowing and weaken fibers. Lay the garment flat and lift the armpit fabric away from lining carefully. Mix a paste of the peroxide, baking soda, and dish soap until smooth. Apply the paste to the stain and gently scrub with a soft brush for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the paste sit for 30 minutes at room temperature to penetrate fibers and break down oils. Rinse thoroughly with warm water near 40 degrees Celsius and inspect the area before proceeding to machine washing. After pretreatment, machine wash the garment on a warm water cycle near 40 degrees Celsius with normal laundry detergent. Avoid high heat drying until you confirm the stain is fully removed because dryers can set any remaining discoloration permanently. Air dry or line dry and inspect the armpit area once dry to confirm stain removal. To prevent future stains, switch to a clear antiperspirant, apply it sparingly, and launder shirts within 24 hours of heavy sweating. Repeat treatment if faint residue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.